Rayleigh Instruments is one of the UK's largest manufacturers and suppliers of metering products, current transformers, photovoltaic inverters, energy storage systems and relays. We also produce remote monitoring and control hardware and software solutions. It's the full electrical ecosystem. Our flagship products include the EasyWire system, simplifying installation and electrical connectivity worldwide. Energy flow and energy set, battery and inverter solutions for renewable energy storage. And Rayleigh Connect, the cutting-edge remote monitoring and control cloud platform at the core of our technological advancements. Designed to revolutionize energy management and asset monitoring, Rayleigh Connect provides users with real-time data access, remote configuration, and enhanced analytical tools to optimize their operations like never before. Formed in 1964 and based in Essex, UK, Rayleigh Instruments serves domestic and global markets, with around 1/3 of our trade as exports. We manufacture our products in Essex, as well as our specialist factories in India and China. This enables us to offer top quality products at very competitive prices. We also have a facility in Poland, where our specialist team manufactures the hardware and also designs and develops the software for Rayleigh Connect. Having all this in-house ensures that this, the key technology that underpins many of our products, enjoys optimal performance and reliability. Rayleigh Instruments' global customers include multinational corporations, panel builders, universities, community housing, OEMs, rail, chemical and petrochemical industries, to name just a few sectors. We hold patents for our innovative designs, created in our in-house design department. Here, talented staff use 3D computer modeling systems and 3D printing to design and develop new product ranges. An early success was our renowned EasyWire system, which has revolutionized the global electrical industry. A current growth area is our RI energy flow and energy set range of renewables, battery and inverter solutions. These can be sized and deployed in multiple configurations, including this secure courtyard design. We provide custom solutions for demanding environments, such as railways and hazardous areas. All Rayleigh Instruments products are put through our own UK test and calibration procedure prior to being accepted into stock, ensuring precision and reliability. We are particularly proud that our in-house test laboratory, along with our quality systems, have been certified by SGS to comply with the MID directives for billing purposes. As one of the only MID-approved test centres in the UK, we guarantee compliance for billing and metering applications. We also have customisation and product branding capability for OEM customers. Rayleigh Instruments operates a highly skilled and technical sales department to provide expert customer support. We have account managers and an external sales team for face-to-face contact. Substantial stock levels are maintained in a large air-conditioned stores area. We use next-day delivery services via a leading international carrier for a reliable service and detailed tracking of parcels. Sales are backed up by our dedicated customer services department, including trained engineer support staff for on-the-phone consultation and on-site visits. Our accounts department are also on hand to help the whole transaction process move smoothly through the system. With a commitment to innovation, connectivity and control, Rayleigh Instruments continues to drive market-changing solutions across the globe. Contact us now for more information.